Hi, I'm Bjorn Jones and I'm running for Opportunities Officer. I have been a representative for 3 years and I really enjoy representing the student body. If I was elected, my main points would be I want to improve and expand on the employability and volunteering options provided at the university. And I would like to work with societies to improve the bond and communication between societies and the InDev. Thank you and vote for me. Yeah.
Shmai, I'm Francesco and I'm running for Llywydd Opportunities. My three priorities are going to be about making sure that students who go to Bucks are supported by the university, whether in timetables or with their attendance. The second one is going to be about more training and more support for committee members who have to deal with difficult situations and knowing when, how and where to signpost so that they don't bear all the weight on their shoulders. And my last policy is going to be about making sure that double bookings no longer happen, whether in the or down in the sports centre, so improving the booking system for everyone. During my time at university, I've been part of societies, a volunteer, member of sports club, a rep, an officer of the union, so I feel like I have a really unique experience to come in and do opportunities. Thank you.